There are many ways to show your love and care towards others. In Pakistan, the Pepsi is doing some activities to spread its love for the society. Assalamu alaikum. I am Tahseen Aman Mehmoon with my group members Noman, Aya Hashmi, and Fiza Sheikh. We are here to highlight some of the CSR initiatives of PepsiCo in Pakistan. PepsiCo is an American multinational food snacks and beverage corporation. It was formed in 1965 with the merger of the PepsiCo and Frito. The famous products of PepsiCo are Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Lay's, potato chips, 7-Up and Miranda. Volunteer from PepsiCo Pakistan launched the 2016 Lighting Up Lives campaign in the holy month of Ramadan with the commitment and dedication towards community betterment. The Lighting Up Life projects launched in 2014 is PepsiCo Pakistan flagship CSR program which provides solar lights inside Pepsi bottles to communities in the need. This initiative has helped install hundreds of lights in refugee camps and other underprivileged areas. Pakistan impacting the lives of thousands of community members. Basically, PepsiCo aims to increase the project's reach and light up hundreds of thousands of Pakistani lives in year to come. Spread positivity and happiness together. PepsiCo mainly focus on the community which needs light, and third there is hardly any source of light. So the PepsiCo is trying its best to facilitate those by installing solar lights in the bottles. Not only this, PepsiCo always helps, like PepsiCo also initiates and campaign in the breakout of COVID-19. As part of its Millions of Meal campaign, PepsiCo Pakistan has so far distributed over 10 million meals as part of its ongoing COVID-19 disaster relief efforts. As we know, Millions of Meals is an inclusive nationwide disaster relief program, making millions of meals available to the communities most impacted by the COVID-19 outbreak. The 10 million meal milestone has been achieved within 4 months of the campaign launch and was made possible by the on-ground support of reputable charitable organizations. Here, PepsiCo has also partnered with the Prime Minister ESSA's program to ensure access to the most vulnerable communities in urgent need of nutrition. Do you know the impact of activities on a stakeholder? The company's prioritization of a stakeholder is stated in its corporate beliefs and purpose of business. Like PepsiCo's thirst in corporate social responsibility is to ensure that it always has a positive impact on society. Like they say, we are improving the quality of life to our community members to the best of our abilities. We are always looking for new ways to improve our corporate social responsibility. So in nutshell, aim of CSR activity is to create higher and higher living standards while maintaining the profitability of corporation or integrity of organization for both people within and outside the organization.